Saw a bird on a roof, seen it fly away like it did what seems like yesterday. Took flight for longing far away like you did in your own way. Clouds cast dark over your whitewashed house, the one you lived, the one where we had to part. Never did say goodbye, said let's remember each other's smile through each other's eyes, through each other's eyes. I wanna walk through your door, but I do not dare. Afraid of all those lost dreams I might find there. We used to talk of high times on your mother's lowly porch. Been too many years that I've carried this torch. Today I saw a bird dancing on your roof, then it just flew away like it did what seems like just yesterday. It took flight for long and far away like it did in your own way. Today I saw a bird dancing on your roof,